So that's my house. And it was like my mom had made some first. You want some?
Well...
Okay, so take a seat.
Tea is great. Oh, I don't think so. My tea needs some sugar.
No, don't open it.
But my tea needs some taste and...
But it don't contain sugar.
So why does it say sugar?
It originally was. It's a family heirloom. My grandmother brought it from her travel to Persia. After she returned home, she disappeared mystically. Some people think that the boss had something to do with it, that it's cursed. And so until now, nobody has returned to open it.
Do it! Oh, okay, in that case... What do you want? Nothing really happened.
Hey, don't insult me, bitch!
Who are you?
What question is that? I'm a fairy.
If you are a fairy, why do you have a spatula instead of a man?
Well, we can spend all the day talking about my equipment, or we can go over to the wishes.
Wishes?
Right, I have the power to transform each of you in whatever he desires.
Now we know how your grandma disappeared.
Ladies and gentlemen, the new President of the United States.
I guess. I wanna be rockstar.
I wanna be a minion. Oh man, this is gonna be the coolest day of my life!
Wait. There is only one restriction. You can only transform yourself into food.
Food?
I don't believe in this magical bullshit anyway. So, Magic Fairy, transform me, let's say, spaghetti.
Your wish is my command.
So what? What the fuck?
No me! I wanna be a donut!
That's a wish.
That's disgusting! Wow, cool! I'm a donut!
Hey bro, come down here.
So... I think that... I want to be a stick?
Raw, medium, or done?
Raw.
Okay.
Hi guys, does anyone want to try my meat?
Thank you for the invitation. Don't run away, Donut. I still need you for dessert.
Who are you?
Or we can